Hey everybody, and welcome to another devlog of our upcoming ARPG for mobile, Norse. Today is an exciting day for the team because we are inviting a select group of people to try the very first beta of Norse. And I thought I'd dedicate this video to the beta and to bringing you guys up to speed on some of the progress we've been making these past few weeks. Roll that intro. First of all, I gotta start this with saying that you're probably watching this after the launch of our first beta. But don't worry, you can get access to the beta by heading over to patreon.com/northplay and pledging for the tester or higher tier. Going forward, we're going to send out a beta at the end of every month. But in these first few weeks, we're going to be sending invites to any new pledges made in waves much faster than that. So if you like what you're seeing here, you could be playing very soon by becoming a patron. Think about it. Also, again, a shout out to Michael Edlund, who is still our top tier supporter. Thanks. A lot of stuff has happened since our last video, and I'm going to go over some of the highlights here real quick. First of all, our protagonist, our child, Nor, has an entirely new model and a new look and new animations and everything. He is really fun to play with, and has just added a lot more character to the game. We also made some substantial upgrades to the visual fidelity of the world too, lots of neat little details. Look at that water. Look at that wreckage. Look at those point lights. So, Beta 1. What is it all about? Why do we even need it? Betas are great for many reasons. Now, the obvious one being that we need to start testing the game on people outside of our little studio. But maybe equally important, betas provide a natural deadline that you as a team can work towards. When making a game like Norse, there's a lot of loose strings, and somehow packaging things together in a beta allows you to tie some of those together. This first beta here has very little content to play, but it was an important first step for us because to make it, we had to create tools that allowed us to streamline the game and create content. Now this consists of things like a cinematics engine, dialogue tools, quest systems, and rules for how we change from scene to scene. I also had to write the actual beginning of the story. Now one thing is looking at an outline of the whole story, another thing is writing a dialogue that takes you from moment to moment. All of these things have been the focus of this past month as we've been working on packaging it up for Beta 1. But instead of rambling on, I thought I'd just show you. Let's play through the beginning as it currently looks. Now, making the beginning of any game is tough because it has to introduce controls and the world to players in a way that onboards people perfectly, especially in a mobile game, and especially in a game that tries to take something that is inherently quite advanced and boil it down to something that's accessible. But let me take you back to that beach. Here, we meet this strange being that has awoken us in the sand. Let's play. Hopefully, these past few minutes here gives you a better idea of what we're working on. Again, if you want to play this, head on over to Patreon and become a patron. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next devlog, where I'm hoping to talk more about one of the core design principles of the game, something that we keep coming back to as we're working on this, and that is making this genre, this action RPG genre, accessible in a mobile context, and how that has impacted everything in the game from controls to story to progression. Thanks again for watching. We read everyone's comments, and it's been really heartwarming for the entire team to see so much interest for this little game that we're making. See you guys in the next one.